Finding educational apps that truly engage preschool and kindergarten kids can be tough, especially when quality and fun need to go hand in hand. Splash Junior, PreK and kindergarten offers a variety of interactive lessons and games designed to develop foundational skills in reading, math, and critical thinking for young learners. I think what makes Splash Junior, PreK and kindergarten effective is its combination of colorful graphics, engaging activities, and curriculum-aligned content that keeps children interested while promoting learning. The app's interface is kid-friendly and intuitive, encouraging independent exploration. Parents can also track progress and see where their child excels or may need extra support. Some features and full access require subscription, and the app works best when paired with parental involvement to reinforce learning. Still, Splash Junior, PreK and kindergarten provides a well-rounded platform for early childhood education that balances entertainment and skill building. While it's a strong learning companion, it's important to complement digital activities with hands-on experiences and guidance from educators or caregivers.